Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve 4xe in bright white. With night vision with pedestrian detection, blind spot and cross-path detection, 21-inch aluminum wheels, heads-up display, active driving assist system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, ventilated rear seats, hands-free power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6928.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.